Good morning one and all. Now in today's class we'll be studying about steps in business opportunity. In that the first Roman number is what? Idea generation. Now let us see which are the sources of idea. In that first one is consumer. Now who is called as a consumer? As you already know that consumer is the king of the market, like customers who are there. Okay. Now the company should try to produce and manufacture the goods and products as per the taste and demands of the customer. Like suppose think that the customer's taste and demands are different and the company will produce and manufacture different products, then that time what happens, the company will come into loss. So they need to undertake a proper survey and do a proper study about understanding the taste and preferences of the customer. So that is called as a consumer. Means the consumers are the king of the market. The company should try to manufacture and produce the goods and sell the goods as per the demand of the customer and what are the taste and preference of the customer. The next one is existing companies. Now what do you understand by existing companies? Existing companies means what? Which companies are already existing and already present in the market. These are called as the existing companies. Okay. See now what can be the difference between the existing and the new companies? New companies means what? Which new companies are to be set up. But existing companies means which companies are already there or already present in the market. Okay, or already present. These are called as the existing companies. So they need to understand that which are the existing companies, okay, and whether they are having the name in the market, they have earned a good name, goodwill in the market. These are the existing companies. The next one are competitors. Now who are called as the competitor? Now competitors, like suppose think that two companies are there and there is a tough competition being faced among the two companies. Like if the same companies are manufacturing the same or the similar kind of products, there will be arising a tough competition among them. Okay, like suppose think that one company is producing one product and the other company is producing the same or the similar product. So there can be a tough competition between the two companies. See, there can be a tough competition between the companies or sellers, okay, or there can be arising a tough competition. So who are the strongest? Who are strong and fit, only those can survive in the market. There is one saying that survival of the fittest. Who are strong and fit, only those can survive in the market. Okay. Then next one is existing products and services. Now as you have understood that competitors are there and existing companies are there, okay. So similarly, what do you understand by existing products and services? Which products and which products are already existing or already present in the market? These are called as the existing products. Okay. Now what can be the difference between the existing products and the new products? New products means what? Completely new and new innovative product which was not already found in the market. But existing product means what? Which products are already there and already present in the market. Those are called as the existing products. Okay. Nowadays a consumer or customer will purchase many kind of the products which are already available in the market. So these are the existing products and services. The next one is middlemen. Now first clearly understand that who are the middlemen. These middlemen are the mediators, okay, or intermediator or middlemen acting as a agent or an intermediary. Okay. In that the sub points are there, you can understand based on that. In that first one is what? Middlemen in the value chain are involved with manufacturing, transportation and storage. So middlemen who are there in the value chain are involved with manufacturing process, transportation and storage. Like suppose what happens in the case of manufacturing process also, the mediators are required, okay, or the middlemen are required in case of manufacturing the goods or products. Now here the question arises that how the middleman role is there, okay. Like suppose in case of collection of raw materials which are there, okay, raw materials been purchased from one company to the other company. For that the mediator or middlemen are required, okay. Or transportation and storage. Transportation means what, or which mode of transportation are required. For that also they can take the help of the mediator in case of sending the goods from one company to the other and for storage purpose. Then next you can see B1 in that, media and trade magazines, print and electronic media have emerged as source of project ideas. Now not only in case of the manufacturing process or transportation and storage, but also the middleman can play an important role in case of media and trade magazines. Now whichever the medias are there, trade magazines are there, print and electronic media, okay. Then television show the trends in the consumer preference and lifestyle. Okay, so whatever are the role played in the media and trade magazines and all that, okay. So how the middleman role can play in this kind of the media. Then next one are changes. Now first of all you understand that changes are the very much essential part in the organization. An organization cannot run with the same routine pattern. So some kind of the changes are required. Now here the question arises, what kind of changes are required? Now changes may be regarding the market changes are there, social and cultural, demographic and ecological changes. Now first we'll understand market change, okay. Now what changes can be there in the market? Understanding the demand and supply of the people or customers in the market, okay. So some kind of market changes can be there. Like suppose think that if the same product is being used again and again, obviously the customers will feel bored in order to use the same kind of product. So they should find some kind of the changes in the these products which are there, okay. Like bring some innovative changes, some new kind of the product can be launched, okay. So these changes can be brought in the market. The next one is social and cultural change, okay. So there can be some kind of changes in the social and cultural also, means society rules and regulations may be different, social changes are there, and also the cultural changes, understanding the taste and preferences of the customer, their values, attitude, belief, that will come in the cultural changes. The next one is demographic changes. Now what can come in the demographic changes, okay. Demography will relate to the age, income level of the people, okay. Like suppose what age is there, if you calculate if you prepare that in the form of a table, you can clearly understand that people from the age group of 20 to 25, 25 to 30, okay, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, means whatever can be the age category, how much income level they are earning, okay. So that can be the demographic changes. Then ecological changes. Now it can be related to the protection of the environment. These everything will come in the ecological changes. Now this is all about the steps in business opportunity. Now just briefly we'll understand that idea generation is there. In that sources of idea, consumer are the customers, these are the king of the market. Whatever are the demands and expectation of the customers should be fulfilled, means whatever are the taste and preferences of the customer. Then existing companies means which companies are already existing and already present in the market. These are not the new companies which are already there in the present in the market. Then competitors, they should means understand the competitors information. There is a tough competition being faced among different companies, but among the sellers also. Then existing products and services. Now how the existing companies are there, no, like that only there are existing products and services, which products are already there in the market, okay. They are not producing something new or new innovative product. Then middlemen are the mediator or the intermediator between the two, means middlemen in the value chain are involved with manufacturing, transportation, the role of the middleman can be there in the process of manufacturing, transportation, storage, or also in case of the media and trade magazines. Then what kind of changes can be brought in the organization? Okay, changes are the most essential part. The organization cannot run with the same routine pattern. So what all changes can be implemented? They can be the market changes which are there, means whatever changes in the market demand. Okay, then social and cultural changes, okay, that also can be there, related to the societal changes or changes in the values, attitude, beliefs, norms. Then demographic changes, understanding the age, income level of the people, and ecological changes in the environmental condition. So these are the steps in business opportunity identification. In that, the first part we had seen about the idea generation, that is the sources of ideas. Thank you.